Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your OnlyFans username. So I just tap on my browser where I logged in on my OnlyFans account. So how it's possible to change? I will move in my profile icon, which is right bottom corner. Just tap on it and the first option is my profile. Just click on. So after moving in your profile, just again tap to, you will see here is the edit profile button. Just tap on the gear icon. So after loading, here you will see in the top is the username. So I will remove it, this username, and I will write with my own choice, with my own name. So let's see which I type. Is it available on this account? So I will just change my username and just tap on the top right corner of save button. So after click on the top right corner of button, your username will be changed. It's very easy and simple. This is how to change. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.